Okay, in this class we will submit work, and the way that we're going to submit our work is by exporting reports and lists and then zipping them and submitting them through Moodle. So I needed to give you some information on how to do that, okay? So here is our reports menu button. So we would click on that, and if you needed to give me a list of all of your chart of accounts, you could choose list account listing, and that's going to give you a list of all of your accounts. And then if you want to export that, you will click on export, and you want to put it in a new Excel workbook and click export. And then what happens is, down here on your taskbar, an Excel workbook opens up. So now you should have an Excel file that is a listing of all of your accounts. And so the next thing you would need to do is then just save the Excel file. So let's go ahead and do that now. So you choose File, Save As, and you always want to choose the special place where you keep your work at. And then you would need to name it exactly what it is. And also put your initials on there too, so I know who you are. And this is actually the chart of accounts. Okay, then once you have named it, you will then click the Save button. And then you can go ahead and close the Excel file. All right, now back to QuickBooks. If I needed a report, for example, your balance sheet, your income statement, etc., then we're going to go to Reports, Company and Financial is where your main statements are. And remember the income statement from Accounting 1. Now in QuickBooks, it's actually called the Profit and Loss statement. So I'm going to click Profit and Loss Standard. Now for the Profit and Loss statement, and notice we don't have any profit and loss because we don't have any transactions for our company yet, you choose a beginning date and an ending date. This is very important. Many mistakes are made because people have not entered the correct dates. So if I needed a report that was for January 1st to January 31st of this year, I'm going to type in, and this is a little shortcut for you, you do not have to type the dashes in. I'm going to type in 010113. Tab 013113. So then we would have the profit and loss statement for the entire month of January this year. From there, you would click Export. You want it in a new Excel workbook. Then you click on the Export button, and then notice at the bottom of your screen, an Excel workbook has opened up for you. And this would show a report of your profit and loss, but at this time we don't have any profit and loss again. So let's click on File, and then we're going to Save As. And we're going to save it in the proper location. And then we're going to name it your initials. And this is the profit and loss statement. Click the Save button, and there you go.